Hi guys, it's your guy the Cuber Guy, and today we're gonna review the Tornado V4 Flagship Edition. Now let's get on to the unboxing. Let's see the accessories: X-Men card, center cap for blind solves, pamphlets, some sort of cloth, nice bag, and a screwdriver. Now let's get the stuff out of here and onto the cube. The cube feels fast, but it's stable. Let's do a solve on its It's good. 1507 is not bad for a first impression. Let's check the adjustment system. As you can see, the corner to edge magnets adjust all at the same time, instead of the Tornado V3 that does it separately one by one. Now let's go to the dual adjustment systems. So how this works: number 1, the higher the number, the tighter it is. Number 2, turn it right adjusts the center travel, turning it left adjusts the axis distance, which means the compression of the springs. Now onto the core. This is just an extra video to show that proof that all the magnets adjust at the same time, not like the Tornado V3 that doesn't. The core is a magnetic bundle that attracts the corner to the core. That gives a magnetic feel. Now onto the speed. The speed is moderate, nice for control. I like the speed. It's controllable enough, but it's kind of fast. Now on to the performance. Only minor lockups. Sometimes I overturn. M moves are fine. Everything else is fine. It feels nice, and the performance is really good. I got literally like a second of average down, and I broke many average records. Now on to the... Now let's move on to the feel. Rated 8.5 for smoothness. Overall, I rate it 10. I might even main this. The Cube 10, by the way, in 10. Anyways, please subscribe, guys, and enjoy the video, and I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. See ya, and your guy, the Cuber Guy, is logging out.